Hello my friends, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some fun things to share with you today. One of them is limited edition. It's a totally Tiffany item. Once it's gone forever because Crafter's Companion has actually said they're not going to make anymore. So it's an awesome bundle and it's a really, really good price. So stay tuned for that. But first, we have something that I personally have been waiting a long time for. I finally was able to get it on the release schedule. And what is it? It is big scallop, we're calling it big eyelet scallop rectangles. And you're like, wow, well, Stephanie, that's really cool, but 3 rectangles? Not really knowing what I'm gonna do with that. But you, my friends, guess what? Guess what? There are 3 on the back. You are getting 6 rectangles. Now, these rectangles make the most beautiful rectangles. Look at that. Look at how fun. So these are not just going to be your ordinary boring scalloped rectangles. No, no, no. They have the little extra circle in there. So if you even wanted to, you could add ribbon in between, which would be really fun. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh, and even on the inside, it just adds an extra thing. Now, somebody that's not a crafter is gonna say, oh, did you cut that out and then hand punch each circle? No, but you can say, well, it did kind of take a long time, but isn't that gorgeous? Look, here's another example with them layered. So fun, you're gonna love it. This is on an A1 size card. This is on a A2 size card. So exciting. But wait, my friends, there's more. We are also releasing, by popular demand, another version, another collection of 3D inks. This is pack number 3. It comes with cherry, sky, cantaloupe, mint chip, and ginger snap. I would kind of call it like a pastel-y one because it has they're like more of the muted colors, and oh, they're just so yummy. Now I know a lot of you are really, really big into our 3D inks, especially Cheryl on our design team. She always showcases them so amazingly. But if you want these, get them quick because I have a feeling they're gonna sell out quick the first time around. Now, this is really exciting because we have some new pens by Crafter's Companion. These are the Spectrum Noir. Now you know how much we love Spectrum Noir, the best name brand in pens. Well, they have come out with glitter pens. And when I say glitter pens, I mean glitter pens. So just for fun, I'm gonna open one. This one is the Vibrant Florals. And the other one that we released is the Neon Lights. So let's open these up and look at how gorgeous. So this one is the Vibrant Florals. And look how gorgeous these are. They might look similar, but you can see these are more of a lighter version, right? These are more of a more, so the Neon Lights, as crazy as that sounds, seems like more lighter colors. But this one has gorgeous pinks in it. In fact, has 2. In fact, I've already jumped on this one. So let me just show you. What you're gonna do is, actually, let's do a different one so you can really see. Let's grab a blue. So this is gonna be from the Neon Lights. Now, when you first get it, it's gonna have a white tip. And so what you're gonna wanna do is you're gonna wanna hold it down, ideally on scratch paper, not necessarily a card. Ideally, here we go. Ideally on scratch paper. You're gonna hold this down until the ink comes to the tip, right? You're gonna just hold it down for a second. It does say, oh, there it is, I can see it. And you can be able to start saying your hi. Now, I'm gonna hold this up to our third camera. I hope you can see the glitter in there. And sometimes the camera can catch it, sometimes it can't. Oh, there it is, look at that. You guys, that is all glitter. Is that just gorgeous or what? Now, I'm going to add some glitter to these little flowers. I'm just gonna add little lines to these little flowers, and I'll actually color in the inside because I want you to see how stunningly gorgeous these are. So there I've just added some blue. And again, let's see if we can get that on camera, that flower right there. Oh, do you see that glitter? Look at that, look at that. Oh, there's a perfect shot. Look at that, you can see that glitter just shimmering. Every single color has that glitter. Now, yes, of course, there is a pink. Actually, there's 4 pinks, which, oh, they do not double up on colors. They are different colors, okay? So just a heads up on that. They are all different colors, so you don't have to worry about, oh, you know, are they a little the same? Are they a little different? They are all different. You're gonna fall in love with them, just saying, because you can never have too much glitter. right? Okay, moving on. Now we have the item that is limited. Once it's gone, okay? So there's nothing I can do. It is called a power pack, and boy, is it heavy. Because what it comes with is it's gonna come with one of the boxes. So it's gonna come with one of her fab file boxes. It's gonna come with 15 of the small pockets, 15 of the small pockets, 15 of the magnets, and the little tab stickers for the tabs. So you're getting 15 magnets, 15 pockets, and the fab file box. And when you go see the price, yeah, it's a special price. Trust me, you know me. I'm always trying to save you guys money. You're gonna fall in love. Get it quick. Once it's gone forever. Crafter's Companion has said we just have these special. They offered them to us. I said, yes, I want them. Anything Totally Tiffany, you know I'm gonna want. Boom, go get it quick. If you do not see it on the website, that means they're already sold out. So go get them ASAP. Club members, you know the deal. You're getting a club discount on all these items. Also, if you ever want to see some samples that I've shown in a video, maybe I've gone a little too fast, you can always go to our online gallery. Every item has a gallery that is a product that you, not necessarily the storage, but all of the items that, like all the card dies and all the card stamps and things like that, you can go click on the idea gallery and all of these awesome ideas are gonna pop up. So go check that out as well. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.